This is a full carbon fibre bodied GT-R. Welcome to Sports and Touring. Today we're off on a little bit of a road trip. Where are we going, Damani?
We're going to Players Classic at Goodwood Circuit. I've been a couple times before and it was an amazing day. I've only been on Sunday though, and that was just a show, but today they've got some track action as well, so I'm really excited.
Yeah, me too. And why are you so tall?
I want to go back. That was brilliant.
Told you it was a sick tunnel,
That's sick. Oh, look at the smile on my face. I don't know why. It just has that effect, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right, how do we turn around and do that again?
So we just arrived here at Players Classic at Goodwood. I'm really excited to head into the show. We're going to have a quick look around the public parking and then we're going to head in.
Yep, because this is where some of the coolest cars actually sit sometimes in the public car park. So let's just go and see what's here. So here we are in the Players Paddock, and there are some really nice looking cars in here. So this car is the GT2000.
So it's a really cool car, something I've adored for years. It's an absolutely beautiful car, gorgeous. You can tell this is very much from an era where the muscle cars in America were taking over and Japan were trying to kind of keep up with that. But it's honestly such a beautiful car, I love it.
One of the great things about days like today, people's cars aren't just on show, they're actually out on track as well. We've had a very special car. This is a Jaguar F-Type, but not just any old F-Type, it is.
It's the Project 7. It's a very limited run of the car. It's got awesome design and carbon fibre everywhere. The way you can really distinct them though from the normal F-Type is they have that awesome tail behind the driver. That design feature is so cool. They've also got the circle on the side and the stripe on the bonnet, and as you said, carbon fibre absolutely everywhere. It's just absolutely awesome car.
Yeah, absolutely stunning. So this is a full carbon fibre bodied GT-R. Absolutely stunning to look at, and you were just looking at the stats on it, weren't you, Damani?
Yes, they've managed to save a total of 140 kilograms on the body of the car, which is crazy because they replaced every single panel in the exterior. Not only the looks have improved a lot, I'm sure the performance has improved a lot because I know these cars are really heavy, and saving that much will probably do a lot to it.
I can imagine it also drops the centre of gravity down a bit as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, absolutely stunning to look at, really unbelievable. I can't even imagine how much money it costs to replace every panel in carbon. That's like several cars worth of bodywork in terms of the cash.
That's the end to an awesome day at Goodwood. It's been so much fun. Beautiful weather, clear skies, amazing drive on the way here. It's just been an absolutely amazing day. Wicked to hang out with my dad as well. Yeah, so it's just been so much fun. Beautiful cars, beautiful weather. Not much we can ask for, really.
Now it's all about the journey home.